boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. It's Tuesday, yes, still Tuesday, July the 12th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and Sudoku with 4 stars. Yeah, 3 hidden numbers. 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Binary number 4840. Alright, 4840. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And now we need to think. We have 3 1s. If we place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3 1s we have here. If I place number 4 here, the 5th 1, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. This cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Let me think. Double 1 here. Oh, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah. This row and that row. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so I cannot place the O here. This should be a 1. Okay. Alright. Then. Yeah. 101. question is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 O's here. Yeah. Double 1 here. Well, we have here, if you compare this column and that column, look to the ones. Here we have a 1, here we have a 1, and there we have a 1. If I place a 1 here, then we have identical columns. So I cannot place the 1 here. This should be an O. Yeah. This should be an O. Yeah. So double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Come on. Where's the opening? 10. Not the same. This column and that column. 0011 empty box. 0011 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, finish in 7 minutes. Well, you need to compare, and the difficulty is in this column and that column. Yes, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.